An Arduino car. We've all built one, and mine is pretty smart. It can move in any direction, avoid obstacles, even be controlled from my phone. But let's be real, it's still just reacting. It doesn't know one object from another. So today, I want to make it smarter. This car kit is from Acebott, and they just sent me an AI expansion kit. It adds an AI camera to the car. Unlike a standard camera that just records video, this module has its own processor built in to handle AI operations, completely offline. Once connected, I can control it using the app. I can choose between all these built-in AI tasks. There is support for image, face, QR code, and even road sign recognition, and a lot more. Let me try out simple color recognition. It can recognize red, blue, and green. Now with this, we can track different colored objects. And it can also detect road signs. So practically, it can be automated to follow a route with a few signs on its way. It can also detect some other objects like animals and vehicles, but we're not going to use them today. And all this is completely offline. It also has a custom learning feature where we can train the camera to detect a custom object. And we can probably write a program to make the car follow this object, but it's not available in the app. So yeah, starting from a simple Arduino car, this is how far you can actually push it. It's still not perfect. Lighting matters, detection isn't always consistent, but this is a completely different level compared to a basic robot car. If you have ideas on what else I should try with this, let me know in the comments. And if you found this interesting, consider subscribing. We post interesting projects every week.